Hello everyone. Welcome to CUET Current Affairs episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, the Nilgiri class frigates are part of which specific naval project? A. Project 15B, B. Project 75, C. Project 17A, D. Project 115A. The correct answer is option C. Project 17A. The Nilgiri class frigates are being built under the codename Project 17 Alpha. Next question is, what part of the body's nervous system does Guillain-Barré syndrome, GBS, attack? A. The spinal cord, B. The brain, C. The myelin sheath of peripheral nerves, D. The central nervous system. The correct answer is option C. The myelin sheath of peripheral nerves, GBS, is a condition where the immune system attacks the myelin sheath that protects the peripheral nerves. Next question is, exercise Bright Star 2025 is a multilateral military exercise hosted by which country? A. Egypt, B. USA, C. India, D. China. The correct answer is option A. Egypt. The exercise is hosted by Egypt in conjunction with the USA. Next question is, Gorumara National Park, a habitat for one-horned rhinos, is located in which Indian state? A. Assam, B. Bihar, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. West Bengal. The correct answer is option D. West Bengal. Gorumara National Park is situated in Jalpaiguri district, which is in West Bengal. Next question is, the Punat Sangchutu project is a collaboration between Bhutan and which other country? A. India, B. Nepal, C. China, D. Bangladesh. The correct answer is option A. India. This hydroelectric project is an example of the long-standing energy partnership and cooperation between the governments of India and Bhutan. Next question is, which of the following countries is not a bordering nation of the Caspian Sea? A. Iran, B. Azerbaijan, C. Uzbekistan, D. Turkmenistan. The correct answer is option C. Uzbekistan. The 5 countries that share a border with the Caspian Sea are Azerbaijan, Iran, Kazakhstan, Russia, and Turkmenistan. Next question is, the plant Trichopus zeylanicus, used by the Kani community, is known by what local name? A. Jeevani, B. Todaji, C. Agastyamalai, D. Arogyapcha. The correct answer is option D. Arogyapcha. The plant is locally referred to as Arogyapcha, meaning ginseng of Kerala. Next question is, what is India's target for its bioeconomy by 2030? A. $165.7 billion, B. $300 billion, C. $100 billion, D. $500 billion. The correct answer is option B. $300 billion. India is working towards a target of a $300 billion bioeconomy by 2030. Next question is, what percentage of India's total power generation in 2022 to 2023 was accounted for by coal and lignite-based capacity? A. 50%, B. 60%, C. 73%, D. 85%. The correct answer is option C. 73%. In 2022 to 23, coal and lignite-based capacity constituted 73% of India's total power generation. Last question is, how many Selena species are now recorded in India after the new discovery? A. 17, B. 15, C. 19, D. 20. The correct answer is option A. 17. The addition of these 2 new species brings the country's tally to 17. Now it's time for practice question. Which state achieved the highest adoption of energy-efficient agricultural pumps? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Kerala, D. Punjab. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.